I got a new guitar. Let's unbox it.
I actually ordered this through a guitar store and I thought they wanted to ship it out to me, but actually I ordered for to them to receive the guitar and then I have to go and pick it up there, which it was not something I was planning to do. Actually, I wanted not to do that because I mean I pay a lot for it. I mean this is actually one of the Epiphone guitars, one of the cheapest ones. I really wanted to try it and start playing electric guitar. And I think I've been like on my guitar lessons, I've been practicing. I'll be doing pretty good with electric guitar. But you know, the electric guitar has softer strings, which was really nice. And I really wanted to invest in like a good but affordable guitar. So yeah. Honestly, it's blue. I spoil you guys, but it's super cute. Let's see what it comes with because sometimes it says it comes with different stuff, but I don't know if it comes with actually everything. Oh my god, this is okay. This is actually got like staples. Oh, okay. You guys see it? This is very nice. Get to. Okay, and make sure you like it. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Look at it. Everything that it comes in the everything that it comes in this pack that I buy. Oh, let's see. So before I open the box, I want to show you guys the box a little bit closer. This is how everything that comes. It comes with the electric 10 AMP, Epiphone strap, cable, a bag, the guitar, of course, the tuner, the guitar pick. And these are the colors that are included. I got the blue, the warm pale blue. So let's open it and see, okay? And this is the I love it. She's a little scared of the big box, but she's loving it, okay? Oh, I didn't show you guys my outfit. What do you guys think? Cute. Let's open it. They have a cute sticker. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. I'm gonna just lay it down. It's easier. Okay. You guys can see the other box. Everything, so many stuff. Cool boxes. What we should do with these boxes so we don't like. Let's see. Okay. Everything's coming. Okay, I believe this is a guitar. Ooh, nice. So many boxes. Okay. Let's open this one, the small one first. What they have in there. Let's open the guitar for the last. Okay. So you see Gia there? She's in, you know, she's inspecting that everything's going fine, that everything's correctly, and no, there's no bumps. She's excited to see what it is in here. Okay. When we pick it up, the people were really nice. And after with that, I went with my parents to eat to a vegan restaurant. That was new. It was pretty good. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. So this is the bag, the Epiphone bag, which is super cute. I like it. And nothing here. I put it inside the big box. And let's see what is inside. Have everything inside. Have the cables, the straps. I believe this is the tuner for the guitar. Let's see. Oh no, this is the tune. I don't know what is in here. We have a manual too, which is nice. Oh, and this in here. Oh, okay. It's like the connector for the little box. Okay, it's nice. It's a really good like package. I like it. Okay. Let's open these. Let's open these. I don't know what is the name for this. I need to learn it. Okay. I'm so tired. Ooh, okay. And this is the thingy, but it's empty. Like it's open. It's not empty. It's like open. I don't know if it's not supposed to be like that, but I like it. I like it. I like it. Not bad. Yeah, mi amor, what are you doing? And yeah, it comes like that. The last 40 bucks. The guitar. Yeah, is now expecting the boxes. For some reason, she likes to destroy them. Okay, the guitar. I'm sorry for the wait. I'm gonna go run. Now, yeah, move to the side. Ooh! I want you guys to see it. I'm gonna hold it. Let me open it. Wait, one second. You guys to see. Ooh. Now we really. Guys, so pretty. Okay. Ooh. I want you guys to see it. This is a guitar. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Fire, so you guys can see it better. Oh my god. I mean, I have to play like this. I need to tune it. Okay. Easy, right? And it also comes with like stickers, which I love it. Oh, it comes with like stickers. Hey, look at this. Oh, I have two here. Oh, they have a lifetime warranty. I didn't have to pay for the warranty, but now I know that you didn't have to. I have a Whipson app. Get it if you want. These are so nice. Okay, let's try the guitar. Okay. Let me turn my. It's not recording the audio, but now it is. Oops. It's pretty nice. I'm not the best, like. Okay, kind of understanding a little bit more. I need you get used to it a little bit, but so we can listen when you get tomorrow.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and share with your friends, okay?